I've just passed 10 subscribers, so I'm going to make a little 3D model of the YouTube logo in using Tinkercad. Tinkercad is free to use, browser based 3D modelling software, and you just register for an account. It is free. Right, so once you're signed in to Tinkercad, go to settings and set the size of your print bed here, and then you know what your dimensions are for that. So I'm going to make a 3D model of the YouTube logo, and so more settings. The basic shapes I need, just click and drag them in. So I've got that. That is a dice, I think. Dice, yeah. I'm going to click on the size. I'm going to have that 60. No, I want that 40. No, 40. No, this one 60. So not 16, 60. Yeah. 40 by 60, and I'll just make that a little bit lower, maybe let's have that 4mm for the height, and I'll have that. Don't need to do that, but I'll have it in red anyway. And then I'm going to lock that with a little lock up here, so I can't accidentally drag that and move it around. Now the next thing I need is a triangle. So that is a 3D triangle there. They call that a roof. Get the roof on there. Now that's up the wrong way, so I need to flip it around. Let's flip that around that way. 90 degrees there, so now that is a triangle, and I'll flip it this way around like that, so it looks like a play button. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. Let's go, just drag the corner for the size, maybe 20 by 15, does that look alright? Let's change it to white. And then plonk it on top there. There you go. It looks alright. And unlock that. There you go. Now it's a bit sticking at the bottom. So I'm going to click on it again, unlock it, and pull it up with this one. Pull it up to the bottom and then drag it down. So it's just a few mil height. So that's from the bottom plane, so 4 and 3 mil like that. In the middle, move it over a little bit. There you go, a little bit like that. And it's floating up. There you go. There you are. It's just sticking up. That's it. Done. So I will group that, lock it together, and then pick the name up here. YouTube logo. That's not quite in the middle actually. I'm going to move that over a little bit. Let's move that over just a bit more. Make it a bit bigger, like that. Yeah. Do that. And then you click on export over here, choose your file. I'm going to do it as an STL. And that's it, it's downloaded. So now I'll send that over to the printer and print it out. There you go, pretty easy, under 5 minutes that was. And that's good. It's my 10 subscriber special. Thank you for your support.